I wanted to show you my 7 and 8 millimeter uh, brushed frame that I'm designing. I got some 7 millimeter motors in this one, and it fits the Evo brushed flight controller and that SciSky brushed flight controller. Well, I'm making another one that'll house the U-Brain, or what is it, Newbie Drones one, and the original one that comes in it, you know, in your, what is it, Inductrix. So these are my new things I'm playing around with. I haven't got one up in the air, but I'm waiting on a brushed flight controller. So let's take a look at some of the other stuff I got here. I got this little Banggood camera, and it comes in 3 fields of view, right? Well, I made the mounts for my Atom, and I made a mount. I designed and printed these mounts for the Atom and for this ET160 budget build, right? Well, as you can see, the camera fits in there perfect in the mounts. It fits in there so perfect, you know. I'll put it in this one here, but it fits right in there so perfect. Just a little piece of double stick tape and you're in, right? Well, it turns out that the camera is upside down. So I installed the camera upside down in both of these, right? So now I got to come up with a new mount for the camera. But would you think that this camera is upside down? Anyway, this is right side up, like this. You got me? So now all the wires have to run out the bottom somehow. So I can't use this mount this way. I'll have to redesign it because that microphone is on top on all of these cameras, and I don't want to take it off. I want to use it, you know. So that's the next thing I gotta do, is redesign the camera mount to fit the camera in there again. What else do I got? I got this OB1, and I was gonna start a build with it, but I wanted to put in this new Maytech Hub OSD PDB, but it don't fit in there. It's too long for the back, so I can't use that. And then I was thinking of using a Tempest, and the Tempest is a little long too, right? A little longer. It fits in there, but I'm not so sure I want to do that. So this one's still in thought mode, what I'm gonna do with this frame. I'll build it, but I haven't decided how I'm gonna build it yet. Alright, and then I've had a couple of these. I picked up this from Multi-GP as a frame, the Multi-Rotor Mania. Oh god, I better get this right. It's the Multi-Rotor Mania. Oh, forget it. Anyway, so I built it up and I'm liking it. I've been flying it and I like it. I'm gonna print out some kind of mount so I can mount my HD or GoPro camera on the top of this. But I'm digging it. I'm digging it. What do I got in here? I have a Tempest. I have a U-Bad VTX 200 milliwatt, a Foxier HS1177, and I don't know where I got these motors, but they're kind of good. They're alright. I'm digging them. They're GeForce 2205 2300s. And the reason I went with those is I got 20 amp ESCs on here, and they're a little old. They're XM20 Slims, I think, is what you call them. But I kind of dig how they fit on the arms. You know what I mean? I kind of dig how they fit on the arms. So that's the end of this build. Oh, one more thing. I watched a video and I seen a guy put his antenna on to a piece of TPU, and I did that. I 3D printed and designed a piece of TPU here, and I'm not going to use this antenna, of course, but look at that. You crash and it flops. So I dig it. I dig it. I like that ingenuity, and I might use that elsewhere on other builds. You see it? You see it there, how it works? Right? Even if you put a zip tie through here around your circular polarized, you know, whatever you're using, it would snap the zip tie, you know? So I dig that idea. That was smart. Then we had this one, remember? This is the Heli Nation Secret Weapon Drones, Heli Nation. Ooh, I don't know what the name of it is. Anyway, I put a bunch of run cam stuff on here. And I put a Lux in it. And I've been having problems with this Lux forever, right? Well, I upgraded a lot of my quads to Betaflight 3.0. And I added some O-rings to the top and bottom. Not the ones they gave you with it, some of my own O-rings. I put these O-rings on. Here they are. It's a Team Associated RC Car Shock O-ring. There's the part number, 91493. They're a little expensive, but they're soft and squishy. I got these here too, right? Check these O-rings out. They're really kind of cool. This is a different one, but it's the same consistency and the same shape, but it's real rubbery. It's not like the ones the Lux gives you, and it's not like if you went and bought an O-ring package, you know. These are really soft. So I have, if you can see in there, one on top and one on the bottom, and I updated to Betaflight 3.0. This one has a U-Bad 200 milliwatt VTX in it, and it also has, I don't know if you can see it in there, a Holy Bros OSD, a Holy Bros micro OSD. So I can change everything through my goggles on this puppy. No need for bringing a laptop to the field. This thing's, you can dial it right there. So I've been flying this one also. I haven't been flying my own quads. I've been flying these two I just built. And we're going to take them to the shop in the next day or two and put them in the showcase. So, yeah, that's what I've been doing lately. And I got a build for us, and that's next.